Yeah, now let's do content duplicate in Golang. So again, if you have seen the logic video, then it was the following way. First was a way where we used to put all the elements in a set, and then, like, not put all the elements, but yeah, we can actually put all the elements in a set and compare the length of the arrays also. That doesn't matter. But the main thing was, before inserting, we would check if the value exists in set, and if it existed, that means like it was a duplicate and you could return true. And the second approach was sorting and have a constant window. And yeah, so now let's do both in Golang also. And the policy of Golang is, if it can be implemented from some other thing, then don't have a library for it. And that's the reason we have hash map, but there are no hash set in Golang. So we can implement hash set using interface and all, not interface, struct and all. But why go through all that thing? So what we'll do is we'll actually have a hash map to keep track of all the elements which you saw or did not see. So what we'll do, you want to have a map, no, d is equal to, yeah, you want to make a map of integer and a boolean, and for every key comma value, index comma value, the range nums. So what you will do, like, this map is kind of like a default dictionary in Golang also, where if element was not present, then it will not throw q not found error. It will just add a dummy value to that value, to that place. So what we'll do, if by any chance d at the position v is equal to true, then what we can do, we can return true, or else d at the position v, we can set it to be true, and then return false. Yeah, as it runs, let's just submit it. And yeah, it works. So now let's go on with the second approach, which was to actually sort the array. So you want to sort the array, so you can't do nums dot sort, it's Python. You can't do sort of nums, again this makes no sense, but you want to sort the ints, because since it is an array of integer, you have to do sort ints on nums. And then for every, what you'll do, for every I in range 1 to I being less than length of nums, so what you want to do, I plus plus, let's remove p over here. And if by any chance nums at the position I becomes equal to nums at position I minus 1, then you will obviously return true, or else you will false. Mm, ah, it's not colon over here, it's less than. Yeah, as it runs, let's just submit it. Yeah, this also works. And yeah, these were two ways to solve content duplicate in Golang. Yeah, that's all for it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.